Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dhodi. Today the topic of my presentation, work from home. What is work from home? Work from home is a concept where the employee can do his or her job from home. Work from home gives flexible working hours to the employee as well as the job employer. Is done with easy. Work from home is helpful to delivering work-life balance to the employee and also parallelly helps the employee to get the work done. Nowadays, most of the employers are offering his option on their employees. Work from home is modern work approach enable through internet and mobility, wherein irrespective of the physical location of an individual work can be done. Work from home is also known as working remotely or telecommuting, which implies that employee is working from a remote location, usually home. Importance of the work from home concept. Work from home as a concept is very important in current times. It helps to keep productivity of the employee same or even better, and the same time support the employee for being with family or handling some personal work. Also, in the case the employee is facing some health issue of self or family, work from home can be great tool for helping employees stay at home and work at the same time. Advantages of work from home. There is a more job applicant for a particular job with certain people with location constraint or disabled people can apply for the job. Even parent with children who tend to leave job can be retained for the job. Second, there is more work-life balance. Many people claim that a more quieter or friendly atmosphere is found at home, which helps to concentrate on the work as well as they can complete the assigned work quickly. Continue. Third, there is a lot of saving with respect to cost of office infrastructure like space, electricity bill, etc. For employees feel motivated as they get the good work-life balance and improve their productivity. Disadvantages of work from home. First, there is always a major problem with monitoring the work. Second, the cost of technological infrastructure that is required for implementing the concept. Third, there is always a security problem with data being transferred and then can't be monitored easily. Fourth, all job doesn't is not suitable for work from home concept. Sometimes communication problem between employees makes it problematic for a job. Work from home tips. First, asking employee to work for how he would work otherwise in office. Second, maintain a proper work schedule. Third, if personal breaks are being taken for personal work, proper status should be sent to manager. Fourth, decision at a place at home where work can be done in a professional setting. Fifth, make sure you have proper internet and mobile connectivity. Sixth, have a proper routine with breaks. Work from home steps. A company before allowing work from option should be enabled as mobile organization. First, make sure that the employee can work from home securely. Second, provide office laptop and hardware if work has to be ensured with proper security. Third, have professional partners for video and audio conferencing. Fourth, put proper work from home policy in place for employees to follow. Fifth, make sure you have reimbursement policies in place for internet, mobile bills, etc. Thank you.